Overview of Subversion and TFS. Key functionalities, differences, and CI/CD challenges. In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, version control systems, VCS, are indispensable tools that facilitate collaboration, code management, and project tracking. Among the myriad of options available, Subversion, SVN, and Team Foundation Server, TFS, now known as Azure DevOps Server, stand out as two prominent solutions. Each offers unique functionalities tailored to different development environments and team dynamics. This tutorial delves into the key functionalities of Subversion and TFS, highlights their differences, and discusses the challenges faced in continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, when utilizing these tools. Key functionalities of Subversion. Subversion is an open-source version control system that has been widely adopted for its simplicity and effectiveness in managing changes to files and directories. One of its core functionalities is the ability to track revisions of files, allowing teams to revert to previous versions when necessary. This feature is particularly valuable in collaborative environments where multiple developers are working on the same code base. The centralized model of Subversion means that there is a single repository that contains the complete history of the project, making it easy to manage and access. Subversion supports branching and tagging, which are essential for managing different lines of development. Branching allows developers to create isolated environments for new features or bug fixes without affecting the main codebase. Once the work is complete, branches can be merged back into the trunk, ensuring that the main line of development remains stable. Tagging, on the other hand, enables teams to mark specific points in the project history, such as releases or milestones, making it easier to reference stable versions of the code. Another significant functionality of Subversion is its robust access control features. Administrators can define permissions for different users and groups, ensuring that sensitive parts of the codebase are protected. This capability is crucial for maintaining security and integrity, especially in larger teams or organizations where multiple stakeholders are involved. Key functionalities of TFS Team Foundation Server. TFS is a comprehensive suite of tools developed by Microsoft that encompasses version control, project management, and build automation. TFS supports both centralized and distributed version control models, providing teams with the flexibility to choose the approach that best fits their workflow. This dual support allows organizations to adopt a model that aligns with their development practices, whether they prefer a centralized repository or a more decentralized approach. One of the standout features of TFS is its deep integration with other Microsoft products, such as Visual Studio and Azure DevOps Services. This integration streamlines the development process, allowing teams to manage their code, track work items, and automate builds and deployments from a single platform. The seamless connection between TFS and Microsoft tools enhances productivity and collaboration, making it easier for teams to stay aligned on project goals. TFS also offers advanced project management capabilities, including work item tracking, sprint planning, and reporting. These features enable teams to plan, monitor, and manage their work effectively, ensuring that projects stay on track and that team members are aligned on priorities. The ability to create and manage work items directly within TFS fosters a more organized approach to development, allowing teams to link code changes to specific tasks or user stories. Another significant functionality of TFS is its support for continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. TFS provides built-in tools for automating the build and release processes, allowing teams to deploy code changes quickly and reliably. This automation is essential for modern development practices, where rapid delivery of features and fixes is a priority. TFS's CI/CD capabilities enable teams to implement automated testing, ensuring that code changes are validated before they are deployed to production. Differences between Subversion and TFS. While both Subversion and TFS serve the purpose of version control, they differ significantly in their architecture, functionalities, and use cases. One of the most notable differences is the version control model they employ. Subversion follows a centralized model where a single repository holds the complete history of the project. This model simplifies the management of code, but can lead to bottlenecks when multiple developers attempt to commit changes simultaneously. In contrast, TFS supports both centralized and distributed models, allowing teams to choose the approach that best suits their needs. This flexibility can enhance collaboration and reduce the risk of conflicts during development. Another key difference lies in the integration capabilities of the two systems. TFS is designed to work seamlessly with other Microsoft products, making it an attractive choice for organizations that rely heavily on the Microsoft ecosystem. The integration with tools like Azure DevOps Services and Visual Studio provides a cohesive development experience. Subversion, being an open-source tool, offers flexibility in terms of integration with various third-party tools and services, but it may require additional configuration and setup to achieve similar levels of integration. The project management features also set TFS apart from Subversion. TTFS provides a comprehensive suite of project management tools, including work item tracking, sprint planning, and reporting, which are not natively available in Subversion. This makes TFS a more suitable choice for teams that require robust project management capabilities alongside version control. The ability to link code changes to specific work items in TFS fosters better communication and accountability within teams, ensuring that everyone is aware of the status of tasks and the overall project progress. Additionally, TFS offers built-in support for agile methodologies, allowing teams to manage sprints, backlogs, and user stories directly within the platform. This integration of project management and version control creates a unified environment that can enhance collaboration and streamline workflows, particularly for teams practicing Agile or DevOps methodologies. Challenges faced in CI/CD with Subversion and TFS. Despite their strengths, both Subversion and TFS present challenges when it comes to implementing CI/CD practices. One of the primary challenges with Subversion is its centralized model, which can lead to bottlenecks in the development process. Since all changes are made to a single repository, teams may experience delays when multiple developers attempt to commit changes simultaneously. This can hinder the speed of the CI/CD pipeline, as builds may be queued or delayed due to conflicts. Additionally, the process of merging branches in Subversion can become complex, especially in larger projects with multiple active branches. This complexity can lead to integration issues and increase the risk of introducing bugs into the codebase. Another challenge with Subversion is its limited support for automated build and deployment processes. While it is possible to set up CI/CD pipelines with Subversion, the lack of built-in tools for automation means that teams often need to rely on third-party solutions or custom scripts. This can lead to increased maintenance overhead and may complicate the CI/CD setup, particularly for teams that are not familiar with scripting or automation tools. On the other hand, TFS, while offering robust CI/CD capabilities, can also present challenges. One common issue is the steep learning curve associated with its extensive feature set. Teams may find it challenging to fully leverage TFS's capabilities without adequate training and experience. The complexity of the platform can lead to underutilization of its features, which may hinder the effectiveness of CI/CD practices. Additionally, the integration of TFS with other tools and services can sometimes lead to compatibility issues, particularly when using third-party applications. Organizations may encounter challenges when trying to connect TFS with other systems, which can disrupt workflows and create inefficiencies. Furthermore, as the size of the codebase grows, TFS can experience performance issues, leading to slower response times and delays in the CI/CD pipeline. This is particularly relevant for larger organizations with extensive repositories and numerous users. Another challenge specific to TFS is the potential for vendor lock-in. As a Microsoft product, organizations that heavily invest in TFS may find it difficult to switch to other tools or platforms in the future. This can limit flexibility and adaptability, especially as new tools and technologies emerge in the software development landscape. Conclusion. In summary, both Subversion and TFS offer valuable functionalities for version control and project management, each catering to different development needs. Subversion excels in its simplicity and centralized model, making it a solid choice for teams that prioritize straightforward version control. Its robust branching and tagging capabilities, along with access control features, make it suitable for various development environments. However, the challenges associated with its centralized model and limited automation support can hinder CI/CD practices. TFS, with its comprehensive suite of tools and integration capabilities, is well-suited for organizations that require robust project management and CI/CD support. Thank you for watching.